Natalie deserves to be San Antonio's next You Girl because she's super, super dedicated to everything she puts into this, and she will do anything to help you out with your projects or your petition or your hashtag, anything like that. She has helped me so much, and I know that I haven't really known her that long, but she's one of my best friends in this fan base, and I'm very appreciative of everything she does, and I really want to see her up on that stage because she's worked so hard for so long, and she's doing everything. She makes the cutest little videos, and she'll put them on YouTube, and um, she's very, very helpful, and she'll help anyone at any time. So, Mike, I hope you pick her as San Antonio's next You Girl because she is the most deserving of it, and you won't make a mistake if you choose her. Natalie, I love you so much, and thank you for everything that you have done for me and everything that you continue to do for me. I can't be more appreciative for you ever coming into my life and just helping me achieve my dreams for the third time trying. You've made me believe in myself, and you have pushed me to keep going, and I just want to see you up on that stage. Never give up, and if you need anything, I am here at any time for you. I love you. Look forward to see you on stage this year.